Characteristics of KSS-I 6.0mm spinal system. Multiple choices of screws for KSS-I 6.0mm spinal system meet various demand in different clinical practices. The head of multiple axial screw can rotate 23 degrees in any direction. Characters 1. Due to the special design, the head of 7.0mm and 7.5mm multiple axial screw can rotate 23 degrees in any direction, thereby meeting various demand in different clinical practices. The screw can be easily planted with a unique instrument. Characteristics 2. Trapezoidal thread design of the plug screw effectively prevents the rod from loosening. Torx design on the top also greatly reduces the risk of sliding. The simple operation of EF crosslink greatly reduces operation time. Operating instructions for KSS-I 6.0mm spinal system. Step 1. The body position and incision. Let the patient lay on bed. Take prone position. Fix the upper limb temporarily. Make incision in the midline line of O humerus back and determine the position and length of incision according to the damaged segment. Step 2. Determine the point and angle of screw. The point for implementing L1 to L3 pedicle screw is the intersection of transverse process middle horizontal line and outer vertical line of superior articular process. For the angle, the screw should be in 5 degree to 10 degree better angle with sagittal plane and parallel to the horizontal plane, which is perpendicular to gravity line of the spine. Step 3. Make implementation hole. Use mouth gag to penetrate into the implementation point. Then uses paracentesis trocar following step 2. After that, use probe to detect the implementation hole. Finally, use developing needle implanter to insert the developing needle. Repeat above to make the other 5 implementation holes and insert the developing needles. Use image system to detect the effect of implanting holes. Step 4. Implant U-type screw. Remove developing needle. Then drill in with matched screw tap to a proper depth. After that, remove the screw tap. Use nail holder to install multiple axial pedicle screw. Wrench through implementation hole clockwise with proper speed and angle. After implantation, remove the nail holder. Repeat the above to install the U-type pedicle screw and U-type break off screw. Finish the implantation of other pedicle screws. Step 5. Implant mu 6.0mm connecting rod. Use fixing nail holder to adjust the screw head. Then use pattern rod to determine proper curve and length of mu 6.0 mm connecting rod according to the position of the screw. After that, bend mu 6.0 mm connecting rod of proper length with rod bend clamp. Finally, use rod hold clamp to install mu 5.5 mm connecting rod into the cart slot of U-type pedicle screw. Attention! The black label of connection rod should be vertical. Step 6. Install plug screw. Use rod compress device to fix the mu 6.0 connecting rod into the cart slot of U-type pedicle screw. Use T5.3 plug screw wrench to wrench plug screw from anti-clockwise to clockwise. Repeat above to install the other plug screws. Finally, use anti-rotation device and T5.3 wrench to pressurize and all the U-type pedicle screws. Repeat the above to install the side plug screw. Step 7. Install EF 6.0 cross links. Use T5.3 wrench to loosen the plug screw of EF 6.0 cross links. Then insert mu 6.0 mm connecting rod into the corresponding cart slots. Finally, use the T5.3 wrench to pressurize and stabilize. Step 8. Break the unnecessary screw cap. Use screw cut clamp to insert and cut down the unnecessary screw cap. Repeat above to cut down the other unnecessary screw caps. The operation is finished. Operation demonstration of stretch fixation. Use T5.3 wrench and anti-rotation device to fix plug screw on one side, while plug screw on the other side is loosened. Place stretch clamp. Stretch slowly to the proper state, then wrench the loosened plug screw and finish the stretch fixation. Repeat the above to finish the operation of the other side. Operation demonstration of compressed fixation. Use T5.3 wrench and anti-rotation device to fix plug screw on one side, while plug screw on the other side is loosened. Place compress clamp. Compress slowly to the proper state, then wrench the loosened plug screw and finish the compress fixation. Repeat the above to finish the operation of the other side. Operation demonstration of fetching KSS-I 6.0 mm spinal system. Use T5.3 wrench to fetch EF 6.0 cross links. Then use T5.3 wrench and anti-rotation device to loosen plug screw. After that, use T5.3 plug screw wrench to fetch out the plug screw. Use rod hold clamp to fetch out mu 6.0 mm connecting rod. Use matched nail holder to fetch out the corresponding U-type pedicle screw. Repeat above to fetch out the other U-type pedicle screws.